Man, look, man, it's Woodland, man, Southside, nigga, to the death. Check. I gotta get this off my chest. This the last message. Y'all still talking shit. I thought we taught y'all boys a lesson. So now I gotta hit his face with a Smith & Wesson.
Yeah.
But fuck fighting, man. I'm strapped. Y'all better stay protected. Yeah, cause I'm coming with the shotty. We ain't mean to catch Eric. We just said let's catch a body. We saw him at the Wawa, so we posted in the alley. We walked right over to him. He got put to sleep. I got it. Feel safe with that pistol on my side. I shoot it at his body, hit his tissue, then he died. Gonna act like a bitch if I pull him in his eye. And if I pull that thing out, gonna be leaving with his pies. It's nothing. The chicks say I'm getting handsome. Kidnap your son to hold that nigga for some ransom. You don't want beef, man, that's something you can't handle. Can't stop me now, I'm on fire like a candle. Send my goons to blame you. Tell them go hop out. Or catch you at your job and kill you when you go and clock out. They should call us bartenders cause we get them shots out. We don't play no games, so y'all better bring the mops out. Or get knocked out, I swear I'll be wildin'. Ever since they killed my cousin, rest in peace to Solomon. Money you on deck, so it's dick and they spouses. Whip it hard, butter tan like our houses. Southside, nigga. What? Bang, bang.
Right now we rock, man.